Was created in 1987.
Cleopatra in your head.
When I'm not looking.
G-spot.
Look at all of our
no seatbelt
stuff.
on. All my trust is in Rebecca.
Yeah, Spencer's being crushed to death already.
If I die,
It's Rebecca's fault.
What?
Kidding. Hey. I'm free from the back feet. Okay.
Crocs and running shoes. Crocs and those.
Hey.
Across America. It's that one shop between. Why are you turning? Would you do that? Like, did you get it on camera? Like in front? No. But you can take this charger.
I'm rolling.
Wait, get Roxy. Come back out.
On what?
Want a kiss to make it better?
Ew. I can see Roxy. I'm like stalking her.
Oh, I can tell.
I'm sure there's lots of guys that you see, but I swear the night is cool.
Bro, I'm gonna trip on this shit. Roxy, no, it has to be at an angle. Cleopatra in your Cleopatra, pyramids and night. It has to be at an angle, not straight. It has to be at an angle, Roxy, not straight. Yeah, do that.
Turn off ice and then right on top is a come on. There's no ice in this. It's just a bunch of juice.
Is there alcohol in there?
Why is this in here?
I don't know.
I won't.
It's storage, you know?
There's so much. Wait.
What type of muffin?
Apple cinnamon.
That sounds good.
We have.
Oh, is that the water thing?
Yeah.
That's okay. I'll have one later though. Thank you.
Okay, a lot of this is just like storage, not like
Well, because there's no ice in there, so that's okay.
Oh shoot! Wait, there's Abby. Wait, is that Rowan's? Which one? I think that's Rowan's. We can put stuff in there. These are better. Warm differently.
What? Oh.
Yeah. Red vessel. See, look at my hot dog.
Ew. It's beautiful.
Like the people in the fruit.
Wait, you have to do. What is that called? Lady in the Tramp. Start making out.
Bro, out of the hole, like.
Kissing. They're actually making out. No. Bad. You would keep posting.
Okay.
You know me. Imagine if I never met the broskies.
You're like a mom.
So how's this angle looking from? Tramp stamp.
What is? You need to chase it with a vape so it feels right now. Guys, how long do you think this is gonna last?
Why am I instructing your camera?
Yeah, it's okay.
No, you're good. Are you having fun, Emily?
So much fun. It's gonna look so good.
Don't look at that dot.
It's okay.
Oh, it looks like a snowflake, but like not.
Oh, I can feel the tequila running down my throat.
Oh, what was your gun? I was gonna bring my socks to go up to
How are
here
you
if we
feeling
go
right
along.
now? Great.
Okay. She's blackout drunk.
Oh,
Yeah.
You would be able to tell if I was drunk.
Yeah.
My face gets so
I told my
red.
mom that.
oh your mom's cute.
Yeah, because she was like,
No, it's like a really bad red.
Straight hand sanitizer.
Are you feeling any different? Oh my god.
honey. Well, it's only like, I don't think anyone uses alcohol. I
hope not.
Yeah.
To stop this, do I press the red button
Press
again?
the red button again.
Okay. Thanks, Alex.
So much.
Is there a way to zoom in on here?
Matthew was only hot with eye rub.
Yeah, no, he actually.
Yours, can I steal it?
Wait, he's literally a lesbian.
Ugly now.
Yeah.
He looks like a butch lesbian. Like it's so ugly, I can't.
But when I dance, I get my feet. It's like I got a dancing circle and I can just dance.
What was that?
Wait, Judy, come here.
Great angle. I'm zooming in on your face.
Are you?
Yeah.
I'm holding on my
Is it like tracking?
Oh, good. That was a
That's
snipe and a half.
so cute.
No, yeah. It's just a disposable, so I have to get it developed.
Is that yours? Oh, it's you? You brought to Thailand?
No. There's only. It's just a
They can't
disposable.
afford it.
Connected.
So I have to get it developed.
You have two of these?
My mom has a water bottle.
And I'm getting mine right now if we go to the bath. So we'll have more. Let's go. Do we want to go more?
I don't know how to rewatch on that.
Okay.
How the hell does it go back on?
I'm a videographer.
Charlie's a rose. She's like, no, trust me, he's a rose. But this one time when he broke his nose, he lost his temper, didn't whimper. Just say he's a bitch ass.
Yes, you can put on your
PND. Can you pass me the speaker? I just want to
It's got lit rave light.
Are you sure you're okay with this?
No, I'm genuinely. Like, I'm so.
No, I know, but are you sure you're okay? Like,
Some warning would be nice.
pyromaniac. Like, she wants to laughing. Rebecca, I've never seen this.
Yo, if anybody pisses us off this weekend, just let her ride around. Like, okay, don't waste all of it.
Good, Rebecca, that's good.
Yeah, I know. Do we have more? We're here for later. So we're here for 4 days. And guess what? Bitch, I'm in sport mode. I'm just naturally that fast.
Excuse, that sounds like an excuse. I feel like really your comments are talk right there. Oh my god. I just got that on camera. I'm gonna click that. Okay, let's keep going.
Hey, why isn't there a fucking bridge across this? I want to go all around again.
Oh, it's this way. That's like Eric and Siobhan and stuff.
Yell.
See you.
Hi. I see Sam, Paul.
Oh, are you zooming in?
Yeah, Siobhan, Caitlin.
Oh, that's like surveillance footage. That's so scary.
Actually, stalker, bro. Stalker.
I love doing that, bro. I wish I had nicer clothes on. It's beautiful.
Hard to see without my eyes. The first time that you kissed me, boundless by the time I cried. I built your walls around me. White noise, what an awful sound. Fumbling by Rogue River, feel my feet above the ground. Hand of God, deliver me. Oh, woe is me. The first time that you touched me, how will wonders ever cease? Blessed be the mystery of love.
Okay, babe. You do not need that extra squirt.
Yeah, we did.
Squirt.
Rebecca, you're such a pyromaniac.
I know.
We're gonna run out of
That's literally the definition.
Well, I'm
Guys,
not
I'm
gonna
not
like
a
set
pyromaniac,
fire
I
to
just like
buildings. Like, I'm not that kind of pyromaniac.
Throw your sweater and she would be out. Yeah, I gave you sweats, socks, and you socks, you sweater. And you put on none of them.
They played like Let It Go. Like, you know?
Yeah, and you were freezing and you didn't change.
Oh my god.
Abby, you also have my.
Are they turning left? They must be turning. Wait, guys. Yeah, look. I can't see anything on that screen. Yeah, that's so shaky. Oh, my bad. Should be more. Here goes Sam.
I need someone to hold.
Just film your face.
I feel so cool, please don't get you cold. Dancing in bedrooms ain't getting old. I'm on cities when I'm all alone. I'm stuck in my mind, it's the best affair. I don't need to tell ya to be anyone, anytime, anywhere. Oh hey, I'm Luella. I don't need the lover. It's 70s attire. Feeling how my hips.
Pajamas. My socks.
Everyone say hi.
My socks, YouTube. Hello. Wait, what did they say? Oh, you love Jesus?
I love you.
Jesus. What would Jesus do, guys? What would Jesus do? Jesus would say, hi, YouTube. God created the heaven and the earth on the first day.
I wish you vlogged it.
And Tessie's YouTube
Vlogged what?
I think every video Tessia has of me, I'm going like,
Fast
Like
you
your
throw
lips so that
up.
you
I'll
don't-
say if I. I'll say.
Yeah, you'll feel better.
I think you could drink more. I should drink more. No, you
no, later. Like another day.
after you throw up. Oh. Like you shouldn't drink any more. Like you should.
Gee, this is so fun.
Unlock your phone, please.
It is unlocked. I'll zoom in. No way. Oh. Daniela. There's Daniela.
Oh, 5? Yeah.
Working hard.
So then should I be?
What?
You guys have to participate.
Brr. Alex. Kenshi.
Hi, Alex. It's like hydrated. What is it?
Say hi, Drayden.
Hydrated. I might.
Oh.
I'll say it by.
Oh.
What's that damn truck?
Good.
What? What's in that damn cup?
thinking, but I don't have an answer. How come? I'm still thinking, let's pretend to fall asleep now. When we get old, will we regret this? Too young to think about all that shit. Stalling only goes so far when you've got a head start. 'Cause we could stay at home or watch the sunset, but I can't help from asking, are you bored yet? And if you're feeling lonely, you should tell me before this ends up as another memory. Will you tell the truth so I don't have to lie?
You're just a carrot.
Will you tell the truth so I don't have to lie?
Feels like I've known you my whole life. I can see right through.
They haven't noticed. What is that?
He's out on a mission to call Hanukkah. That's
Wow.
like he just got to see when you tell us about your story. What? You broke a stake and it became a cross, and that's just like went back to God. He's going to seminary school. He's gonna go.
Wow. Yeah.
I can stay at home and watch the sunset, but I can't help from asking, are you bored? And if you're feeling lonely, you should tell me before this ends up as another memory. Will you tell the truth so I don't have to lie? Will you tell the truth so I don't have to lie?
I didn't even see that.
Rebecca, shake it. Shake the chicken.
How was your sunset experience?
We got here after it set. Yeah.
Oh, that's okay.
It was still really nice.
It's still beautiful.
True. We had a good time. I ran at the birds.
Oh, we did that too.
Where are they running to?
Over yonder.
You're holding me,
No,
holding
you're
back.
wrong. You need to get out of here. You're a sheep, remember? You need to follow the Church of Noah. And then the Bible.
Does the Church of Noah say the earth is flat?
Yeah. Yes.
Explaining that the earth is flat.
There's a pause between
Yes,
us
exactly.
and
So
I.
that's why the earth is flat.
Feeling
I
like
believe it.
it's
Like, if it was curved, you look there,
just
like, you would
you.
like, you would see, like, China or something.
I think you're right. I think you're right.
Far enough to see that. I don't know. Hey.
I know,
No one can
I know.
This is not as cinematic as that shot. They need to go make out for it to be accurate to the movie.
He's stealing his. I know. Quiet down, that's what you
Oh,
want. I understand.
You want to be in my vlog? Yeah, barely. It has 1 minute left. Yeah, bitch. Bitch trip 2025.
Is it a picture perfect girl?
Do you want some hot dog buns? Save the carb will help absorb.
Like how tall this tent is. I can like barely touch the ceiling. This is
You can do a lap, run around. Maybe this wasn't the best idea.
Do you like my jump?
I missed it. Yeah, that was really
Do
beautiful.
I look like you?
Probably.
Wait, see the rating? I think it was like a 9 out of 10. I had a lot of fun and I really love camping and I'm not excited to go home. But yeah.
How would you rate your beach weekend?
Well, I was gonna rate it a 6.8.
What? A 6.8.
Yeah, your presentation was fine. Your activity was really funny.
Ivy!